श्रीमन्नारायणीयम् एकषष्टं दशकं यज्वपत्न्युद्धरणवर्णनम्। ततश्च वृन्दावनतोऽतिदूरतः वनं खलु गोपगोकुलैः हृदन्तरे भक्ततरद्विजाङ्गना कदम्बकानुग्रहणाग्रहं वहन्। ततः विसर्ग changes to sh there. Cha tatascha because of sandhi. Vrindavanatah is a compound word. Atiduratah Vrindavanatoti duratah because of sandhi. Vanam gatah Vanangatah because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there. Gataha visarga changes to s. Tvam Gatastvam because of sandhi. Khalu Gatastvam khalu because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there. Khalu khas mahapranah. Gopa gokulaihi is a compound word. Tatascha vrindavanatoti duratah vanangatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi. Hridantare is a compound word. Bhaktatara dvijangana kadambakanugrahanagraham is a compound word. Bhakta bhas mahapranah. Vahan. Here the anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Hridantare bhaktatara dvijangana kadambakanugrahanagraham vahan. Tatascha vrindavanatoti durataha vanangatastvam khalu gopa gokulaihi hridantare bhaktataradvijangana kadambakanugrahanagraham vahan. Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishoralokam kshudhitam trishakulam adurato yajnaparan dvijan prati vyasarjayo didivi yachanayatan. Tataha becomes tato because of sandhi. Nirikshya asharane nirikshya sharane because of sandhi. Vanantare is a compound word. Kishora lokam is a compound word. Kshudhitam dhas mahapranah. Kishora lokam kshudhitam because of sandhi. Anuswara changes to nga there. Trishakulam is a compound word. Kshudhitam trishakulam because of sandhi. Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishora lokam kshudhitam trishakulam. Aduratah becomes adurato because of sandhi. Yajnaparan is a compound word. Dvijan prati vyasarjayah becomes vyasarjayo because of sandhi. Didiviyachanaya is a compound word. Tan. Adurato yajnaparan dvijan prati vyasarjayo didiviyachanayatan. Tato nirikshya sharane vanantare kishoralokam kshudhitam trishakulam adurato yajnaparam dvijan prati vyasarjayo didiviyachanayatan.